Discovering your true passion is a journey, not a sudden revelation. It's about tuning out expectations and listening to what makes you feel alive. Give yourself permission to explore, play, and be curious. No pressure to have it all figured out. Think of this as uncovering the treasures within you step by step. Are you ready to begin? Look back at your life for clues, especially childhood joys and moments of flow. What activities made you lose track of time? Write them down, no analysis yet. These are signposts pointing to your natural interests. Your past holds the key to what energizes you. Passion is discovered through action, not just thought. Try new activities, even if they feel awkward at first. Each experience is a data point. Some will resonate, others won't. There's no wasted time in self-discovery. Be a scientist of your own life. Your emotions are your internal GPS. Notice what excites or drains you throughout the day. Keep a simple journal of high and low points. Patterns will reveal what truly lights you up. Ask yourself, if money were no object, what would I do? What topics do I naturally explore in my free time? What problems in the world move me deeply? Honest answers point toward your core passions. Separate what you should do from what you truly want. Write down expectations versus genuine desires. Give yourself permission to disappoint others if it means being true to yourself. Your path is yours alone. Review your notes and journals. What themes keep appearing? Look for underlying skills or values, not just specific activities. The golden thread is often a way of being, not a job title. These patterns are the building blocks of your passion. Test your interests in real life. Write, coach, volunteer, or create. Notice what you enjoy even when it's challenging. Testing reveals what's real versus what's just an idea. Use feedback to refine your direction. Treat this as an experiment, not a commitment. Passions change as you grow. What excites you now may shift in the future, and that's okay. Embrace each chapter of your life. Stay open to new interests as they arise. True passion lies where your strengths, joys, and values overlap. List your talents, favorite activities, and core principles. Look for the intersection. This is your sweet spot. Here, passion feels both exciting and meaningful. This journey takes time, don't rush it. Confusion and setbacks are part of the process. Trust that each step brings you closer to clarity. Celebrate small wins and stay kind to yourself. Your path will unfold in its own time. Discovering passion is a lifelong practice, not a one-time task. Make lists of what you enjoy, what you're good at, and what the world needs. Look for overlaps. Use these insights as your personal map. Stay curious, adapt, and trust the process. Start small and let your passion grow with you.